Top 5 Best MicroSD Cards Compared. Number 5. Kingston Canvas Select 32GB MicroSDHC. The Kingston Canvas Select 32GB MicroSDHC offers the benefits as the Gigastone microSD card, falling square in hobbyist territory with its 32GB of storage but lacking our recommended write speeds with a 10MB per second Class 10 rating. This rating works for standard video recording, not more intensive applications like laptop storage extensions or recording 4K video. Pros: 32GB of storage good for light users, can withstand extreme temperatures. Up to 80MB per second read speed. Cons: low 10MB per second writing speed, not fit for laptop storage extension or recording 4K video. Divers, surfers, and water buffs will also enjoy its IEC/EN 60529 IPX7 certification, withstanding up to 30 minutes in 1 meter deep waters. This makes it an excellent choice for tropical and rainy climates where a little condensation would not hurt. Coming in number 4, MicroCenter 64GB Class 10 MicroSDXC. The MicroCenter 64GB Class 10 MicroSDXC flash memory card is a solid choice with 64GB of storage and Class 10 speeds. This is good enough to save roughly 24,000 regular-sized photos or 7 hours of 1080p video and play them back nearly instantaneously with little to no lag. Pros: good for 24,000 photos or 7 hours of 1080p video, performs well in extreme temperatures, X-ray proof, waterproof, heat and cold resistant. Cons: below average warranty of just 3 years, capacity may not be enough for media professionals. The MicroCenter 64GB Class 10 MicroSDXC flash memory card also tests its metal in temperatures as high as 185 degrees Fahrenheit, so snapping and storing shots in Death Valley's blistering terrain should be no trouble. It's even airport X-ray proof to keep safe, a must for frequent travelers running through security like a marathon. We also love the best SSD, but of course it isn't as compact. Coming in number 3, Silicon Power's 64GB 3D NAND High Speed. This card offers respectable read speeds of up to 80MB per s, 20MB per s slower than our top 2. Storage capacity is good for approximately 20 hours of 720p HD, making it serviceable for the average value-conscious photographer, Nintendo Switch gamer, or heavy smartphone user who wants to extend their device's storage space. Pros: read speeds of up to 80MB per s, stores 20 hours of 720p HD video. Cons: below average warranty of just 5 years. Some users reported occasional corrupted files. Points are deducted from the Silicon Power 64GB 3D NAND high-speed microSD card for its average 5-year limited warranty, far from SanDisk's and Samsung's 10-year limited warranty which protects against data loss under normal usage conditions. However, 5 years should be more than enough for non-intensive users. Coming in number 2, Samsung 128GB 100MB per second, U3, MicroSDXC EVO. The Samsung 128GB 100MB per second, U3, MicroSDXC EVO Select Memory Card offers blistering read speeds of up to 100MB per second and a Class 10 rating. Class 10 is perfect for full HD recording and playback capability, resulting in quick and skip-free video watching on your digital camera, smartphone, laptops, and other microSD-compatible devices. Pros: great for full HD recording and playback, read speeds of up to 100MB per second, works in temperatures as low as -25 degrees Fahrenheit. Cons: our testing revealed read speeds of 89MB/s, a tick below its advertised speed. Some users reported corrupted files after several months of use. Despite not matching out to the advertised read speed of 100MB per second, the Samsung EVO Select memory card is still very impressive nonetheless, and has a variety of SD memory sizes to choose from. Like the SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSDXC UHSI memory card, the Samsung 128GB 100MB per second, U3, MicroSDXC EVO Select memory card is also a rugged workhorse. Beating extreme conditions with an IEC 60529 and IPX7 waterproof rating and operating in temperatures as low as -25 degrees Fahrenheit. Shorter bursts of activity in the blistering Arizona desert or bone-chilling Alaska plains should not affect its data recovery. You may also want to learn about the best USB flash drive for another storage option. Coming in number 1, SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSDXC. The SanDisk 256GB Ultra MicroSDXC UHSI memory is our top pick for its monstrous storage capacity, 256GB, and up to 100MB per second of read speed.
which equates to 1,000 photos read and processed in 60 seconds or less. This makes it an excellent choice for shooting 4K UHD video, all without constantly having to delete files. Pros: highest storage capacity, 256 GB, up to 100 MB per second of read speed, excellent for 4K UHD video storage. Cons: write speeds could be faster. Some users encountered card not recognized errors. This memory card also carries a Class 10 rating, which refers to a write speed of 10 MB per second. This speed class makes it ideal for heavier applications such as burst photo shooting and 4K filming. Extra bonus points for its 10-year limited manufacturer warranty, with most picks on this list offering 3 and 5-year warranties. This SD memory card also has a dedicated smartphone app, SanDisk Memory Zone, to help find and transfer files from all of your storage devices and locations, with extra features to search media by timeline or geotag.